Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's start this video. So we're back after the test drive. Everything went smoothly good. Now to the detail, and these are the things that take more time and to fix, and like to put the wireless where it should be. This need to be taken off because I'm waiting for the tail light, and we need to put the tail light and the light for the license plate. So there's still a job, so this need to take it off, and I'm still waiting for the filament to come to start the rear winglet. After this is done, we can put it for good, but for now it just need to come back in. So here I bought this silicone tube that I want to try to, because this gonna be so close, so the air will be a bit hard to come to the air filter if the air filter is there, especially like everything is gonna be close. So I tried to get this one and it fits perfectly, to be honest, but if we're gonna put the full fairing, this will not work. So what I need to cut down just to make it shorter. Like the filter should not be here, it should be like a little bit here, so I can put the fairing and see if it's not in the way. So, but as you can see, there's no strap or anything, and it's completely strong. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this much and try to fit, see how it goes. I cut a little bit, and let's see now if it sits down. Let's put now the fairing and see if this fit perfectly. Okay, that's fit way better than before. And the air filter, let me just show you from here. Now there's the air filter. Now it's better for the airflow, because here is also gonna be covered. And now we also gonna try to fit something here. I have no idea how we're gonna do this, but we will try. So here we have our oil catch can from Kitako. That it should be, I don't know how, but we're gonna try to fit it here somehow. With the kit you have this bracket, custom straps that hold the cash can, some stickers to put so if there's vibration doesn't scratch the cash can. There's some connections, and this bolt that will go here for to replace this, so we can put oil back from here, or take. And it comes with this tube that I want to replace. I mean, it looks nice, but we'll see if I have something to replace it. If not, we will use it. Let me open up. And this bracket will hold this part. The bracket will be here. So, that's gonna be a problem. Or if we do this, yeah, It need to be fitted like this, but we need to see how we're gonna do it with the wires, with this one and this one holding this. So I thought, well, I can put it here, but it's gonna be a whole, like, so many things here that will hide this part, and it's gonna be like a really messy thing here. What we can do, we can mount it on the other side, and I think this is what I'm gonna try to do, because if this is gonna be here, the catch can will be here, the holes, everything, like, it's gonna hide a lot of stuff. So I think I'm gonna do it in the other way, since the other way is more clean, doesn't have anything, so should go there. So let's start assembling the catch can. Let's take this out. And let's put this one here like this. Since the catch can gonna be like this, let's put this one here. Just like that. Before I continue anything, let me try to put all the fairing and see if everything fits good here. So yeah, it's almost perfect. I just need to twist it a little bit so the holes can go freely, but yeah, it should work. And here on the other side, it's also good because, again, here is gonna be covered. But so far, like the fitment, there's no screws, nothing, and everything fits perfectly. So I put the tab that we got from the kit, and I put this hole, and I think it looks better than the black one. So I put it there, and now we're gonna cut the other side and try to fit it in. This should go here, and I think the right place to cut is here, so we're gonna cut it here. So that's the first one. Now we have two more, one from the air filter and one from the breather from the engine. Now I fit the other one also the same here, and I'm gonna try to put it on top of the other ones. It's gonna be more away like this. So here. Okay, now we have the last one, which is the filter. What I did now is I put some strap here, so to make sure this is not going anywhere. And now we have here, and I put another hole to the oil catch can. Here we put the other line, and we're gonna try also around it here. Maybe something like this. So I ran out of the bigger size and I tried to put it, didn't work, so I had this mini clip. I'll order more and then I'll change it later, but for now should do the job. So this is it, all connected the way they should. So the gap is okay, but I want to put the spacer that comes with the kit, and I also need to change to make this. This is just was for the test. Now let's put this spacer here, so it just push a little bit outside, so we have enough clearance that we need. Okay, now it looks way much better and cleaner this way. I had a small bracket for this, as you can see, and I cut it to see if I can make it shorter. It did work, to be honest, but I still don't like the look of it. So just for now I'm gonna leave it, because it's not a big issue for me right now, because I'm still haven't finished the bike, so I'll leave it like this for now. We got our filament, we're gonna open it together. So here we have our PETG-HF, which is, if I'm not mistaken, it's new from Bamboo, and one of them is bigger than the other one because I ordered one with the spool. Usually you get them without spool, and I got this bed, which is as they say. It's more sticky, super tack. So hopefully we don't have any fails print with this. Let's take our old bed, put it here for now, and let's install our new bed. We take it here and load it. All the way. I don't know if you can see it, but it's going inside of this tube. And then in this time we can put load, and we keep pushing till the nozzle get hot. Okay, when you feel like it's not going anymore, it's the time that you have to push to hear it click like this. And then now here the nozzle said heat the nozzle, check the filament location, cut the filament, pull back current filament. So all these steps need to be done. So just to make sure that this is going and the new filament is going on, we gonna look at the filament and we're gonna see it a little bit starting to push inside. So it did not move, and here we say not exposed yet, retry. We continue doing this and maybe help it a little bit to go inside. Yep, the filaments start to move a little bit, so that means it's starting to go inside. And now it's gonna push it here, but one more just for safety. And yes, we're gonna see it coming inside. And then what we need to do here is just press filament, extract it, continue. And here you're gonna see the filament coming out. Okay, while this is happening, we go back to our here to our bamboo location. Print and send, and now it's going to be sending this file. Hopefully here, yep, it's gonna download. After it's downloading, it's gonna start. We have our first one, it's done. It took us 2 hours and 41 minutes and took 68 grams. So now we just do the satisfaction part. And here we go. Now we try. So what we're gonna do, so this is a bit flexible, as you can see. So I'm gonna put some heat gun and press on this thin part just to take the shape out of it, so we don't have these gaps. In the meantime, we have the second side, and we're gonna give it to the printer to print it. Just to compare with PETG, I can literally with one hand and the carbon fiber one. which is extremely hard to see. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is heat this up. And you can see it starts to be flimsy, and then we put it where we need it to go and just press it. So, oops, sorry. So what we did is just put it and press it until it's cooled down. So that part now is very good. Now we have to do these ones here, or let's do this one, this part. That was too hot, that part went down a bit, but it's okay, it's getting there. I need to see it from the other side. Here it's going super perfect. On this side is good, and just need a little bit here to move that gap. Now that's fitting amazing. And what's good about this, I can double tape it, and then I'll make one screw here and one here just to keep it, or not, we'll see. So this side now need to be I need to sand it, fill it, to fill all these weird textures, and hopefully it's ready to paint. It's gonna take a lot of sanding, but we're waiting now for the second part to be done, and then we can do the other one. So here is our second one, and the best part of it, oh, this one didn't give me the satisfaction. But it's easy to take out. Okay guys, quick update, we got a new taillight. This is a better one. So I connected all the wires. That's just to make sure. Yep. So this is the first step that we did. Second step, that we connected, remember we got the Brembo sensor and we just connected it to the wires here. So now when we press the brake, we have brake. And also remember when we installed this one here, that is also for the replacing the sensor. So what I did is I cut the original cables, so it become, and I connected them, so it become like original. and also when we press brake we have light. So that's perfect. Now we can take this off, put it there, also connect the light for the license plate, so we can put this for good, so we don't have to take it out again. Also we're gonna put the ACU here and connect the quick shifter, sorry I forgot the name, the power commander to be here, so we can access if we need. We're gonna remove this brand new broken tail light. Yeah, take it out, put the wiring, and let's see how it goes. So we put all the wiring here, it goes inside, and I know for some people gonna say, oh, but if we have the old seat, yes, this is a problem. But for now, it's not gonna be, because here is hollow, so nothing gonna have pressure here or anything. And I put all the wires, like each one I put shrink on it, and just because might water come inside, and I just don't want anything to go to electricity, so I put them together, each one by one, and then all together, and I put them here under this rubber, so they won't get anything, hopefully. Now we need to put the ACU. Okay, so for this side I need to just, because it's very loose here, I need to make it, I'll put a zip tie from here to here to make it strong. And for the power commander goes from here inside to here, and I will push it to here. I connected the quick shifter. Hopefully it works, because it was very hard, because the original switch that goes inside here, I don't have it, so I tried to create one. Anywho, now this side is over. All I need now is just to tighten this up, and we can put the fairing here for good for now. We have here the first two wires that goes inside are the first slot that I'm gonna show you where. Now I connected to the computer, and here you can see a light. So when you connect this and you have download the application for the power commander, as soon as you logged in, this is what's gonna happen. So this is my map, but I'm no tuner. This is all like my trying to do something. Hopefully I'm gonna try to contact someone to help me with remapping and everything, because all of this is bullshit. But now we need to put the quick shifter. So we go to here, power commander tools, and we go to configure, future enable, and input selections. When you have this here, because we put the quick shifter in the input 1, we have to change to 1, and we have to press here to on, to make it on, and then we go to configure. So the quick shifter will work at 3000, minimum 3000 RPM, and it will kill time millisecond is 65, so it's less than a second. So what I'm gonna leave everything here. You can put kill mode, you can put just kill fuel, kill ignition, fuel and ignition. This is what I'm gonna leave it as factory. Here if you want to put like a switch for it to open and close, I'm gonna keep it also. And the mode gear depended, it's single time. When you press single time, it's gonna be every single shift, all shifts gonna be the same, but I'm also gonna leave it the same. So when we're done this, Actually, I'm gonna put all the same, because here, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have a 5th gear. So let's do all the shifts the same time, and when we're done this, all we have to do is press OK, apply setting, and when this is done, we have to send map. So this is all what we have to do to put the quick shifter. Now I cannot go outside to test it, because every time I have to take off the bike, I have to do a lot of things, take off a lot of things from the house just to be able to go out. But for now, I'm gonna put this, and if we need to adjust anything, I'm gonna have a place to here where under the seat I can take it off and I can do whatever I want to do. But for now, I'm gonna put the zip tie on the ACU thing, so it goes inside, and then we can put this for forever, hopefully. That's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next week.